Good morning. Happy Thursday, guys, and I'm at the stairs and it's so dark. You guys can see me. That time is 22:06 in the morning. I arrived here like 5 minutes ago, but there are people there that are running. Let me just go if I can walk up and down the stairs solo because I need to warm up. It's so dark, you guys. Winter Leon. I think I need to get that light, the running light, for when I come here, because we come here pretty early. All right, let's go. Here, guys. Okay, one more round, up and down, and then I'm done. Woo, good rough, guys. Good rough. Good exercise. It's rough. Yeah. Guys, 1 hour later and I'm done. 1 hour later. Yeah, so let's go to corporate. Let's go be corporate girlies now. Hey? And push and push and push and push. Hello guys, welcome to a start of a new vlog. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new on the channel, welcome to Naizagang's channel. You guys, we haven't spoken since I left you guys in the morning after my hectic workout at the Westcliff stairs. Now I just got home. I'm about to shoot a what do you call it, a evening routine. I want to remove my makeup and do my skincare. If you want to check that out, how I do that, please do check out that evening routine after my 9 to 5. You will see all the skincare details there, how I remove my makeup and all of that. But yeah, welcome to a start of a new vlog. I had a beautiful workout. It was tough, but it was beautiful, and I had a good day at the office. It was very productive, like very busy, but it was a good day. It was productive, and I just need to finish off some work that I need to do. When we are at the office, we tend to focus more on, you know, that human interaction, like sort of catching up, talking to each other face to face, that type of a thing. So yeah, so then I find that when I get home, there's probably a few things that I just need to finish off before I call it a day. But welcome to a start of a new vlog, you guys. How vlogging? How vlogging? Banabe. So today is the 27th of March, 2025. I cannot believe it, guys. Next week is April. Next week we are inside April. Sure, I wanna do my skincare routine. This thing, I can't see now what. Or is it Lepondo? Oh, it's probably Lepondo. That's too tight. Ne? Lepondo. I think Lepondo. I need to loosen it. Yeah, I get it tight, guys. This thing works perfectly. I love it. Okay, let me undo my makeup, you guys, and I will catch up with you guys. When will we catch up? I think it will be tomorrow, because I don't want to disturb the recording that I'm doing for the evening skincare routine. I also want to take a couple of pictures for the thumbnail. So later. Bye for now.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg det igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon.
It's a home party. It's a nice birthday. Ow! I can't light it. One more. Oh, light. She lights it, but it's a bit dark.
Vamos empinar Limpopo. Vou pedir ya. Hey Limpopo.
Vamos contra.
Ah, I don't know.
Oh.
I know. Ah, I know it now.
Ya ven ya.
Yeah.
Da. Aí vou. Rea Hey Limpopo. Guys, ona Hey Limpopo. Is kan
Yeah.
we terus jual.
I know. Rebel, wish.
Hi guys, hey Naizagang, welcome to another day on the vloggy vlog. Today is Friday the 28th of March and it's my sister's birthday. So we are at her place. We are buying a small little braai for the birthday girl. Birthday.
Hi
Happy birthday,
guys. I'm the birthday girl. Cheers to
guys.
me, and Reddy's not here, by the way. So, yeah, I feel so blessed. I was saying to my sister that I'm so overwhelmed with love because so many messages, beautiful messages, and I'm grateful, man. And this is exactly what I wanted for my birthday. Actually, I didn't want to do anything, but this is what I really love. So, yeah, cheers to me. I'm 39 years old. 39 years old.
What's your head? What's your head?
Close to 40. That's it. Today. Exy, please give me one more year. Cheers.
Cheers guys. So that's what we're doing today guys.
Yep.
Just chilling, just braaiing. Nothing else. Okay?
Okay, I think Reddy needs to be here.
She's not here though.
What was really gonna say?
Something.
Say what really was gonna
Can I say I love you, mommy?
Milani will represent Reddy.
Got to know what I wasn't shy so.
Okay, I don't know.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank God for gifting me with such a wonderful mom.
Aww.
Yeah. So like she's the best guy. She's very cool.
After my aunt.
So this is because the hierarchy wrong.
Up to the person behind the camera.
The person who shall not be mentioned.
Anonymous. But yeah, I'm just thankful for the gift of life that God has given to my mom, also passed down to me. It's a blessing to be here, you know, although we have our own ups and downs, but because of the Lord, we make it through.
Yeah.
So that's just the highlight of me and my mom's relationship. God has been been with us at all times through the ups and downs, and to more blessings, yo.
Yay to the blessing.
Thank you, Jesus.
I love you.
Thank you, Jesus.
Cheers.
Okay, yeah.
Anyways,
So, yeah. I'll just stand here and be a moral support while my friend speaks. Because, yeah. I'll just stand.
okay, guys. So
Hi,
I'm
it's your
almost
birthday.
getting too Gypsy.
We need to
Ima.
I think you should take 40 shots.
Hey, twin.
Absolutely. 39 shots.
Getting there.
39 shots.
That was not girl.
39 shots for your birthday, girl.
Okay, tell everyone what
My
we're doing.
special moment was with Lesego when we had, I don't know, was it late at night when we were talking about spiritual stuff and we were connecting. Remember that night?
Yeah.
And I don't know what I was saying to you, and you advised me. You were like, you know what? Sometimes you really need to deep dive into your spiritual life and focus a lot on the dreams that you have, because there are signs of whatever that's happening in your waking life, and there's spiritual battles, and then something that you and Avua were speaking about right now. So that is my special moment. So that's the best advice you've given.
Don't make me cry.
Everywhere your turn.
Me, I can't. I'm gonna cry.
I know there's too many.
I don't wanna cry. There's too many. I've known Lesego since 2018.
Before Ura was
Before Reddy was born, actually.
Ura was what, 16, eh?
Yeah, Ura was a baby.
It's quiet, oh so still here in the afternoon. God, I think of you. Tell me, is it true? So quiet, I can hear my heartbeat everywhere, knocking on my chest. Would you put my mind to rest?
We are making it a wedding, guys. It's a wedding. Mwana tweriki sinata. Hey tama pansula.
Where we belong. So when you feel like you are giving up, always written in
Batong dumelang. Hey Naizagang. Hello guys, hey Naizagang. Welcome to another day on the vlog. I'm operating on level 2. Level 2 energy, 0 energy guys. Yesterday we were partying like we are kids. But sometimes when you accept your age, everything works out better. But it's another day on the vlog guys. Today is Joey's book launch, so we just came here trying to help them to set up, but I actually didn't even do anything. They were just busy setting up. So I'm gonna go home and change and come back and see if I can help them with whatever they need to. Yeah, I need to change and do my makeup. I've already taken a shower this morning, so I'm glad I did that. And I need some energy booster and a snack. I can just grab a snack. I must buy myself something. But yeah guys, welcome to another day on the vlog. And also you guys, if you're watching this video so far and you are like, who is this girl, I love her vibe, please subscribe to my channel and join the Naizagang family. We do lifestyle vlogs, fitness, beauty, and a bit of 40 plus fashion. If that's your vibe, please make sure that you click that subscribe button. And the most important part, we love Jesus so much on this channel, so much. Later, bye for now.
It's you. You that I love.
Like, I don't know. Ke tsame ke apere glam because what if I tla kwa
Okay.
ko salone?
Well, our from salon Buzama. Hello, officer ku tutorial. We are straight to the event.
No, I'm going to see a friend for lunch.
It's about like stress or change. Or we let fail.
Na kere ke ntswa go gore e shaba nkera.
Oh, you so my other change go to good bathroom. How fetsa go kere.
Bathroom.
Go south gate or batla go bua le go change.
Ke ka bo. Yeah.
Okay, you're not. I thought you're in a hurry. You're clearly not in a hurry.
I am.
No, it's not giving him in a hurry.
Yes.
No.
I'm just and I will go.
You do, you're so calm. It's a main thing actually. And it's an important skill to have.
Ma?
It's a very important skill to have. Working well under pressure. It's a very important skill. Managing conflict and working well under pressure. You'll go far. Oh, I'm gonna guys, I am done. I'm done with my makeup and this is how I look. Done with my hair. I put a bit of gel. Oh, well, I just want smooth. But it's fine because the braids are loose again, so it will affect them. So they look like this. I haven't shown you. You see, this is how they look like. Pretty girls worldwide. Okay, this is how I look. This is my makeup. This is my hair. Let's do outfit check and let us go. I had to stop recording doing makeup with you guys because firstly time, and number 2, I needed to charge the battery. Yeah. What do you guys think? Do you guys like my makeup look? And here is my outfit. Dress is from Mr. Price, recent. My shoes are also from Mr. Price, so it's giving Mr. Price goodies. And let me show you guys my bag that I'm carrying. Yeah. And this is my bag from Shein. Yes, girl. It's giving grown women. Love it. Okay, guys, let us go. Catch up with you guys when I get there.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at
to my vlog.
Gonna take for you to love me. What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself?
I just want to ask you a question. I want to ask you, how's your heart? How's your heart today? How's your heart in this season of your life? And before you answer me, I'm going to put a disclaimer that hello
thank you so much for being here. You know, how is my heart today? Grateful and so humbled because it's not by mind nor by power, but
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me, yeah.
about to say, Uti, are you going to Mandy's event? We're going to see each other there. Guys, please go to Mandy's event. Like, this time it's not even on Mother's Day. It's actually on Saturday. How do I tickets? Let's go and have fun. Yes.
But we can see this. So like, when you put the pictures that we can see there,
really?
All your videos, but in real life, she's
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ajinjabula, guys. I'm just happy with life.
It shows on your skin when you're not happy.
Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, 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 dream. Hello. Hi, Naizagang.
What is this vlog? What is this vlogger, guys? Look at us, always working.
It was such a good one. It was a lovely event.
Don't forget to watch ads, please, my people. I said, please, my dear, we need coins. We need those coins. We work hard. Oh, keep serving. Hi, Bloody Blood.
Hi, Naizagang. I'm here with our favorite girl. She's looking so beautiful. I hope she'll post a cool picture.
I will.
We are here at Mother Knows launch, and it was
Top
was
notch.
awesome.
I'm going to send you the clips.
Bye guys, I just came to say hi.
And bye.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Hi, Naizagang.
Hi, Naizagang. Finally, up on this side. On this side of life and not in the comment section.
Guys, this is Komoto. She's our #1 top commenter on the channel. The one of the one of. Lovely meeting you.
I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade.
Oh yeah, he can.
Hi, Naizagang. How extra? Like, what is this?
Guys, please, you must be extra in life. Life is too short.
I love it. It's giving. Please, you see the skirt you're wearing, the dress and the lipstick and the shades are giving.
It's giving, ne? And I knew because I wanted to wear the clear ones today. The ones like these ones.
No,
So
these
I said,
ones. Oh no, he made a good call.
Yes.
Hi guys, it was a beautiful day.
It was an amazing day.
Stunning day.
Stunning. I'm such a good job, guys. Kitsuke a Deco company.
I trust.
Please, she must. Imagine if you did this at a wedding. And this venue is big enough. I think a wedding can be.
Oh yeah.
It is.
So I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding. whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me.
Confetti on the floor, they're walking out the door. Yeah, all the lights come on, but you are still the one I want. Forget the mess we made, all the things we shouldn't have said. You let your guard down, so I let my guard down too. You are still the one, can't pretend that you're not. So I won't, no I won't. I know we got our problems, but I know we can solve them, 'cause everyone has gone home. But you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it, I don't care, 'cause everyone has gone home. But you still dance with me when the party is over. When the party is over. Confetti on the floor from the night before. But when the sun comes up, you are still the one I want. Forget the mess we made, all the things I forgot how to say. Know that I'm no good with words, for what it's worth. You are still the one, can't pretend that you're not. So I won't.
Hello guys, hey Naizagang, welcome to, no, it is still the same day, it's later on in the day and I'm about to go out. I did cook with you guys, but I was in such a rush guys when I was cooking. I didn't really cook properly with you guys and I burned my food in between, but not so bad. But yeah, at least I managed to cook with you guys. Now I'm going out to meet up with my cousin and I'm taking you guys along with me, so let us go. Let me quickly show you my outfit and then we are out. This is the fit, you guys. This is the pleather jacket that I bought recently from Forever New. This t-shirt is from Mr. Price, which is also recent. My jeans quite old from Levi's, and I'm wearing my also very old sneakers from Adidas. And yeah guys, this is how I look. Let us go. Just a chilled look. It is raining, that's why I've got the jacket on, but now I feel hot. I'll just throw it on my shoulders while we are out. Okay, let us go.
Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance.
Oh guys, I have arrived. I'm giving my cousin a few minutes. She should be here in about 15 minutes. And then we'll grab that quick lunch dinner. It's actually after 3 p.m. now. What's the time? Yeah, 2:45 actually. So probably get something for dinner. I made pasta at home, so probably I'm gonna have a salad here so that I don't have anything heavy. But I also doubt when I get home I'm gonna eat, because get 3, 4, 5, 6, like I don't know. But yeah, we are here and I'm in the parking lot. That's why it's a bit dark. But let us go guys, let us go and get this day going, because tomorrow is Monday and Siyasebenza on Mondays. Okay. We are working. Let me not forget my parking tickets. We came to Melrose Arc, we were sort of like undecided where we're gonna go. She wanted to do Paul, and for me, I'm like, Paul is nicer, like when you arrive early in the morning, not very early, like in the morning, still like 11, at least 12ish. So she then said La Parada, so I said cool, we'll do La Parada. So let me walk in and then I'll call her, and then I'll call you girls right back.
Nessa alma vazia, contando os passos para não cair. Não há mais nada do que desistir. Tempo se arrastou e levou chances. Não sobrou mais nada depois da avalanche. Não sobrou mais nada depois da avalanche. Não sobrou mais nada depois da avalanche.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch. Guess I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed.
My twinnie, guys, this is my cousin. This is my queen. He hasn't been here, it's been how many years?
Yeah.
Oh no, in December.
Oh, December was there, yes. And I'm coming again end of April.
Yes. No, mid-May.
And end of April for Lenyado.
Yeah, ma.
Makeup.
Oh yeah, oh yes. Thank you. Somebody in the family is getting married.
No.
Oh yes, because we're seeing again. We are twins in the family. This is my young cousin who calls me old. I think I can't believe you are 40 something.
Guys, it's a lot. Can't do it. Can't do it. She must be in her 20s, and she acts like she's in her 20s.
I'm just a cool aunt. I know, when they found out my age, they're like, what, Jackie?
It's not make sure.
That we said goodbye too soon.
from this world.
Guys, we are done. Now we're going home. We had such a lovely day today.
It was so cute.
So cute.
So cutesy.
We're doing this more often than not, guys.
Yeah. We need to do it at least once a month.
Yes.
Just
please.
for catch up.
Yeah, next time we must bring the Sokhon Basi.
Yes.
Yeah.
The younger sisters.
Yeah.
But this was an older sister
Older
date.
sister date. Firstborn date.
Exactly.
Bye, guys.
Until next time.
Yes. Guys, my cousin got a new car, and this is her new baby.
Sterling, guys. Welcome to Sterling.
She's so pretty, Baton. You're a TV.
No. It's okay. Not a TV.
Guys, it's so pretty. Oh, I like it automatic.
Yeah.
What do you mean, girl? You're pitting the soft life or nothing?
I'm tired of changing.
Oh, I didn't know this car skin. So I get automatic. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Thank you.
I love it, cousin.
Thank you.
From manual to the like, oh.
I said bigger.